Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing permission and the devices you'll monitor. This is legal and ethical, so don't skip it. Once consent is given, sign into the device's primary account and make sure location services are on and set to high accuracy. Next, enable background location access for the tracking app and connect the device to Wi-Fi or cellular so updates can send. Finally, plug devices in or ensure battery is above 1/5 so the live feed won't drop. You now install and configure the tracking service. Pick the built-in tool, Find My for Apple or Google Find My device for Android, because they're secure and consent-friendly. Sign into the same account on both devices, then enable device or family location sharing. Once done, adjust the refresh interval and, if useful, create a geofence to get notifications when someone arrives or leaves. Make a brief test run to confirm live updates appear on your monitoring device. To finish, keep monitoring responsibly. Regularly check device battery, network, and that location permission remains active. If updates stop, reboot the tracked device and your monitor, re-authenticate the account, and reconfirm location sharing settings. These quick steps fix most issues. If a device is offline, wait for it to reconnect and use geofence alerts for time-sensitive needs. Remember, you must stop tracking immediately if consent is revoked, and document any permission changes to avoid privacy or legal problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.